Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install apps from unknown sources on your Fire TV or Fire Stick. I'm going to do both, and this one is going to be first. I'm going to start with the Fire Stick. And on my previous videos, I had a couple people said they don't see the option to enable install apps from unknown sources. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go settings, and once we here, it will either be on my Fire TV or on system. And on the Fire TV, I'll show you that option too. It's going to be on my device. But just to show you guys that I am on the latest update, is I'm gonna go about, and we're gonna do check for updates. And it says last check Thursday, June 14th, your Fire TV is up to date. So I have my updates, and now we're just gonna go developer options, and it's going to be right here. And for me, apps from unknown sources turned on, and I can turn it off. Now I have it turned on. And it says when you use application from unknown sources, your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K and personal data are less secure, blah, blah, blah. So we're gonna turn that on. It was already on, but I just did it for you guys. So now we have that on, and that's it. That's how you do it. Now, if you do wanna install apps from the unknown sources, two apps you're gonna get from this Amazon App Store is going to be Downloader or ESFile. So these are the two apps you're gonna do it with. And I'm not gonna go over how to do this because that's another tutorial, but you know, find whichever app you want to download, and then just get that URL code. And once you get that, you type it in and then you press go. It's very, very simple. All right, so that's how you install apps from unknown sources on Fire Stick. Now let's move on to my Fire TV and do this process again. All right, so here we are. This is my Fire TV Insignia brand, and we're gonna pretty much do the same thing. We're gonna go settings, and here we have a little bit different options, but for this we're going to do device and software. Now again, on my previous it was something different, or it could be something named system. So mess around until you find this. Again, let me show you that I am on the latest software. It says Thursday, June 14, your Fire TV is up to date. And now we're just gonna go back, and now we're gonna do developer options. Some people tell me they don't see this option, developer options, and they don't see this install unknown apps. Now what can fix this is, as you guys can see, I already have two apps that they use that unknown apps. And what you can do is, before you do this process, just go and search, and then just type in, for example, you can do one app I know is the Downloader. I already have it, so make sure you do that. Now, what you do is you install this app. Once it's installed, you can do this through the Amazon store. You don't need to turn off unknown apps first. And once you have that installed, you will go back to settings. You will do what I showed in the previous video or this one, and you will do developer option, you will do install unknown apps, and you will turn that on. And it's that simple. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.